You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this American engineer and NASA astronaut. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned. Christina, you probably knew that already. And yes, her last name looks like it should be pronounced Koch or Koch or maybe Koch. It's actually pronounced as Koch. Yeah, just like a cook, a chef, or Captain Cook. Christina Koch. Christina Koch. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.